Good afternoon students. I am your maths teacher. I am going to handle for class 6. So now we are going to see second chapter, the whole numbers. So in natural you come across these natural numbers, whole numbers in your lower classes itself, but here we are going to see some main properties of this whole numbers. So before going to see these properties, you first see the outline for the whole numbers. So now you recall the natural numbers. So usually you count any things or objects from 1, 2, 3, 4, likewise you can count. So these are the natural numbers. So natural numbers usually starts from 1. So what is meant by whole numbers? So see, before entering into this topic whole numbers, we discussed the predecessor and the successor of the natural numbers. See, here I am going to take 5. So 5 is a natural number that you already know. So what is the predecessor of the 5? So what is in general, what is meant by predecessor? Predecessor means the number கொடுத்திருக்க நம்பருக்கு before number or previous number அப்படினு சொல்லி சொல்லுவோம். That means you have to less 1 from the given number. So here the given number is 5. So if you minus 1 from the given number, what you will get? You will get 4. So 4 is the predecessor of the 5. So obviously 6, 7, 8 likewise it goes on. So see here 4 is the predecessor of the 5. Now the next is successor. The successor means after number or the இதுக்கு அடுத்த உள்ள நம்பர் தான் வந்துட்டு இந்த 5 க்கு அடுத்த உள்ள நம்பர் தான் successors. Now you say what is the successor for 5? For getting the successor, that means you for finding the successor you have to add 1 with the given number. So here we have taken the natural number 5. So now we are going to find the successor for this natural number. So 5 plus 1 is equal to the 6. So 6 is the successor. So see here 6 is the successor of the 5. So 4 is the predecessor. So 4 is the predecessor of the 5 and 6 is the successor of the 5. So now what I am going to do is, now I am going to find the predecessor and the successor of the natural number 1. So see, so first you will find the successor. So now I am going to take 1 as my natural number. I am going to find the successor for this natural number 1. So successor means what? You have to add 1. So when you add 1 means 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 is the successor of the 1. So see here 2 is the successor of the 1. So next one is, now I am going to find the predecessor for this number. So see, predecessor means what? The previous number. So in natural numbers we have come across and we know only the number starts from 1. So here we are going to find the predecessor of the 1. That means the previous number of the 1. So for finding the predecessor, what you have to do? You simply minus 1 from the given number. Here the given number is 1. So you simply minus. So 1 minus 1 is what? 0. So 0 is the predecessor for the 1 and 2 is the successor for the 1. So here you see, in natural numbers you come across the numbers only starts from the 0. Suppose if a number starts with 0 means we call those numbers as the whole numbers. So understand? So whole numbers அப்படிங்கிறது எப்படி உங்களுக்கு எதில இருந்து கொண்டு வந்த அப்படினா, so our natural numbers you already know, it starts from 1 2 3 4 etc. it goes on. So what now you say, what is the successor for this 2 3 and the predecessor is 1. Suppose if I am going to find the predecessor for 1 is what is I am getting? 0. So if a number starts from the 0 means those numbers are known as the whole numbers. So this is the main concept you have to know. So whenever if anyone asks what is a whole number means, the numbers which starts from the 0 are known as the whole numbers. So in the next class we will see how to represent these whole numbers on a number line. So this class is about an introduction for the whole numbers. So if you have any doubt regarding this, you may ask me through WhatsApp. Thank you.